Welcome. In this video we're going to be looking at the double magic circle, and that's because the magic circle is useless. I've had several squares with this happen and they come undone, whereas with the double magic circle, this is how strong it is. I've made a sample and I've used a double magic circle in the middle. I'm frogging it, and I've got to the end and it's just going to pull and rip the yarn if I try and do that. So I'm going to have to cut that free. So that is how strong the double magic circle is compared to the normal magic circle. To make the double magic circle, we're going to wrap the yarn around our right hand. So we're going to hold it with the thumb, and then we're going to wrap around twice, and then we're going to cross over, and we're going to hold that there with the middle finger. You're going to take your hook and go under the first two loops you made and pull the yarn through. Yeah, you're then going to take the yarn and make a chain one, and then we take our fingers out and we can turn the way we hold it around. So I like to free up this tail. So I'm just going to make some stitches in there so that I can show you how to tighten the whole thing up. So I'm just going to make 12 US doubles, UK trebles. So I've made 12 stitches, and to pull the double magic circle tight, we're going to pull on the tail end, just a gentle tug, just so that we can see which loop tightens first. And we're then going to take the loop that started to tighten and we're going to pull that one tight, nice and gentle. Sometimes you have to give your work a little bit of a wiggle here. Oops. And then we're going to pull the tail. And there's your circle. You can then just slip stitch across to finish the round, and that's a lot tighter and more secure than your standard magic circle or magic loop. And I'll see you in the next video.